Hi, I'm Michael and I want to build a guitar. Yes, it's new guitar day. I'm starting a new project and I hope this will inspire you to do the same. I've already built 4 guitars, 5 if you count this one, but I'm super excited about the next one because I feel I'm coming full circle. I really feel this is what I've been working towards since my first guitar build in 2020. This time I'm going to build the body myself. I'm going to build it out of 220-year-old floorboards and I'm going to make an offset body. All of that actually like my first 2 builds, but wait for it, there's more. All my guitars has my own headstock shape. This one, I made this long ago, but I feel I've graduated, I feel I'm ready. I'm making my own body shape. Right now, I'm working on the template over here. Let me show you what I've come up with. So this is the body shape I've been working on. But before I get into that, I just want to acknowledge that I skipped over one of the most fun and exciting parts of building a guitar, the planning and the choosing of the parts. Sometimes you hear people talking about the one guitar that does it all, so you only need one guitar, or even innovative stuff where you can swap out the pickups and stuff like that. But that robs you of the whole excitement and inspiration you get from searching out and trying new guitars, new gear and new parts. So the parts I've chosen for this build is P90 pickups from Fuzzy Duck. I have tried P90s, a hum cancelling P90 from Fralin in my second guitar build. It sounded great, but different than a regular P90, so I'm pretty excited to hear how those sound. And then I want to try a wraparound bridge. I've never tried that, but it seems so simple and easy to use. And I'm going with lock-in tuners. I like them very much on the Strat build, but the big thing I'm really looking forward to is the roasted flamed maple neck with rosewood fingerboards and stainless steel frets. Hard to say, that's a mouthful for a Danish person. This one right there, I think that will look amazing. And as always, I want to thank Joe from Guitar Anatomy for keep supporting me like that. And remember, you can get a 10% discount on all the parts from their website by using the discount code LAYERSTEDYT when you check out. Anyway, let's get into making my first prototype template of my own guitar body shape. It's big. So this is the body shape I've been working on. So I started out with a blank canvas. I knew I wanted an offset body. I'm very inspired by the Kawaii. It's a nice shape, but of course I also love the Novo shape, although it's a little big. So I just started out using elements from the shape of these 2 bodies back and forth, and I changed things, I combined things until I had something that was really my vision. I used the headstock shape I've made long time ago, and I really loved as many places as I could just to give a little continuity, and it's also a nice story just to think about it, that the shape from the headstock is also in the shape of the body. And I really like what I ended up with. And then I've asked you guys in a short video which you prefer, the lower line or the upper line, and right now it's 11 for the upper line, 2 for the lower line. So naturally I think I'm going with the lower line because I'm a rebel like that. So this is what I'm going with. So let's cut it out. This is the true essence of relaxing and vacation. Cutting out a template and working on it with rasp and sandpaper. That's it, first step done. All right, so everything has been lined up. Here I have my coffee, my cake, and all the tools I need. Let's make a template. I know it sounded so good in my head, just sitting there with a cup of coffee, but I tried for 5 minutes and now I'm back to the power tools. So after power tools, much better. Now I just need a minor tweaking. I'm not one for quick decisions. Still haven't decided on this one. think I'm going with the low one. So I ended up copying the shape to another board just to be sure, and then I cut it at the lower line. shape is done and I went with the lower one. Anyways, let's see it with the neck on there, just to see how that looks, the proportions of that. And I have my phone right here. What do you think? Isn't that great? Doesn't that just look amazing? Anyways, next step is I have to make a body blank so I can cut out this shape. And I'm going to make it from this old wood. It's pine wood. This is floorboards from a house built in 1808 when Napoleon was Emperor of France. Check out my video about old wood. I know it's a controversial subject, and I made 2 guitars from this wood already and I loved it. I loved working with this wood. That time I went to a wood workshop to get it straightened out, and when I got in there he said, I hate this dirty old wood. It messes up my machines, but he put it through his machines anyway. Afterwards he said, please never come back. So I can't really go there. So I don't know how I should make this work. Can I do it by hand with the tools I have? Or maybe I have to find another place. You'll see in the next video right here. While you're at it, please subscribe, hit the like button, the little bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video.